everyone, I'm Suraya.
And I'm Ayuni. We are from
Airestec, Sdn Bhd.
Biofilm, bacteria, fungal and mold in HVAC or air conditioning system isn't inevitable. It can cause significant and detrimental infection to occupants' health, which may impact productivity, fatigue, respiratory complaints, and more. IAQ in buildings will be another major problem. Universally, acid or alkali chemicals are used to clean cooling coil, which emit vapors that may be harmful. In the long term, the aluminum fins will oxidize or corrode and eventually brittle and break off, result in acid damage, system not working according to design, reduced efficiency, increase in energy, wear and tear with higher maintenance. Airestec is an R&D, environmental and life sciences company, owner and manufacturer, which provide proprietary multi-enzyme pH neutral 628, safe, able to enhance human health, improve quality of life, prevent acid damage, complements the water table, environment, improve system, and energy efficiency. They are readily biodegradable with 89% within 28 days.
Our multi-enzymes are specific and made to remove biofilms, bacteria, fungi, mold in your air conditioning. We are not just a cleaner, but we perform decontamination. Airestec is trusted and certified by the relevant authorities. We acquired originated status, My Hijau Mark for products and services, Eco-Label, ISO 14000, Halal, Buatan Malaysia, and Nano-Verified. Our products ensures to provide the safest and highest quality products and services while addressing regulatory requirements and maintaining health, comfort, energy, preventing cross-contamination, and keeping your air conditioning system running efficiently. A stable company with USD 250,000 revenue last year. During the exhibition Week 5 Dubai, 200 inquiries. HVAC Indonesia, 80 inquiries, and Nanotech Japan, 60 inquiries. We have started to increase traction and exporting our products in these countries with potential revenue of USD 500,000. Current projects such as the Royal Malaysian Police, Royal Malaysian Navy, oil and gas, pharmaceutical, hospitals, universities, and residential.